In this video, I'll show you how to fix lagging and buffering issues on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon. Then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Media. Here, you'll find options related to video quality and data usage. If you're using a slow internet connection, turn on Data Saver. This lowers video quality and helps content load faster. But if your connection is fast and stable, switch to optimized or higher quality settings for smoother playback. If Facebook is still lagging, it might be due to temporary app files. Go to your phone's settings, then open Apps and select Facebook. Tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without affecting your account. Now reopen Facebook and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, make sure your app is up to date by checking for updates in your app store. And that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook lagging and buffering issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.